Welcome guys, came back again in a reaction video. I want to send out a big out to all the new subscribers. All of my returning subscribers, them, you see me? Big up and enough respect to you for come back and watch the video. Because I wouldn't have to do it, you know. But yet you know, come back and do it, you see me? So I have to give out a big shout out for that still, you see me? Respect and everything and love, you see me? So today I will react to Azealia Banks. It's a request video, I don't know. I react to one Azealia Banks before. So this is my second Azealia Banks, you see me? Wintour. You see me? The Azealia Banks is like, to me, she's like one of them hardcore hip hop female artists. You see me? Like back in the day, like Miss Elliott or the lady where bleached no one and was small. I forgot what she name. You see me? But she bleached but she bad too, you see me? So I jump in at this and see what I want to feel, you see me? So like, share, comment and subscribe. Any direction I'll link it down in the comment section down below. And it go forward, you see me? Even if it take a while, it will come. You see me? Begin now. What on that? See this? Yo, you know what she advertise right now? Let the booty matters, you see me? Let the booty matters.
I'm so cold, I'm so grown, I'm so real life. I'm so sure of my time is designed to twinkle and bleed light.
Yo, more I say something up there she must say. But you probably don't want to say now, because you must feed. We never say it, but you must have an idea what more want to say. You see me? It's a tear in my eye. Dead looking at me right now. What am I not saying about it? Yo, what is it like? Yo! Alright, tell the truth. Why she have to wear that shirt there? You see me? Listen, me I try enjoy the music video. Really I try enjoy the music video, but listen, the thing that literally I look for me, bro. It does. If my eye try to look up myself, my eye go down listen. And that's my fault, bro. And that's my fault. Any straight man that look. You see me? She can look like she can dance. I like her dancing because she can dance, you see me?
Shades always, bitches can't look.
I say, man, the flow she have, honest to God, is a Miss Elliott. You see me? You know, Miss Elliott is one of the veterans in the hip hop female scene. You see me? One of the great female hip hop artists to ever touch hip hop. You see me? I wonder if she's the queen of hip hop. Could be still, you know? Could be.
Bob, sleek, chic, petite, I fin those. In vogue, I do what you can't know. I'm runway, you know they a sideshow. I'm first page, the main stage is cycles. The one dame, the one name that y'all know. Just take notes, stay on top like halos. Make pesos, most of these bitches is microns. You new puss, this catwalk is my throne.
Whoa! What should I say? Hold on, what should I say? What should I say? I'm going to go back. What should I say right now? What should I say? Hold on.
They a sideshow. I'm first page, the main stage is cycles. The one dame, the one name that y'all know. Just take notes, stay on top like halos. Make pesos, most of these bitches is microns. You new puss, this catwalk is my throne. I'm in house and rhinestones. These diamonds on my bone be my own. Invent styles, I've been crowned, it's my home. Bitch, I'm going in war gowns, it's French zone. You take shots, I make shots, the end zone. These bitches over Wallace and Morris, they win slow. Show me now I believe. Diamonds and dreams come true for girls like me.
Yo, I teach them white though. Blow, whoa, I teach them white, the fuck. Nothing. I'm feeling love. Darling. Watch this out. Hold on for our boat. Yo. I got to something after this. You know what I mean? I something after this, cause I got at the end of the reaction to Azealia Banks and a Wintour. Guys, I don't know what I want to say. The song, like the how she rap. She rap like Miss Elliott. I'm respect Miss Elliott. She have her own touch to her thing. You see me? I like how she says she can dance. She actually can dance. I like artists, female artists, male artists, when they can dance and perform. It's more entertaining that way, you see me? But, dude, the outfit that she wear, bro, like, dude, I know to see it, I know it obvious. You see me? In my mind, I just say I wonder if them real in the dog. That comes to my mind. I say, oh, no man, them look too up this up. How much? That girl how much? I want to know her age. I now look it up. I make you tell me. I don't know her age. Just you tell me her age. I now look it up. You see me? But yo, me have to say something about it. And I know me alone. If you watch it, whoever requests it, them watch it. They must see and know what me talk about. You see me? But very good video still, you see me? As me I say, me get to see should either of you guys. You tell me what you want to watch and then me just start going there as a new viewer. The experience. You probably only experience the same thing when them watch this video, you see me? But send a reaction in this video. Peace out. Alright.